Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel. I am your Katalon studio instructor and my name is Kumaresh. Thank you for connecting with us. Hope you are doing well. Let's start our today's session. The learning contents of today's session are mainly covers the overview of Katalon Studio GUI. Throughout this tutorial, we will learn how to create the projects and familiar with the important options or features which are available in Katalon GUI interface, which are available in header section, Test Explorer section, and the log section. These features will be used during the test automation which we will discuss later. Alright. Let's get started with project creation in Katalon Studio GUI interface. In the Start page, the different GUI option to create new project is available in Test Explorer section. By default, Test Explorer section is visible in left side of the GUI. Open any existing project and clone Git project options are also available here. The same project-related options are also available in header menu bar under File option. In addition to this, we can import settings and keyword from this file menu. We will choose menu option File-Project to open new project creation window. First, we will enter the name of the new project and then need to choose the project type. The options for web, API, mobile, desktop, generic are available. We will choose default web option as we will automate one web application. Rest of the fields, we will keep as it is, including location to store the project. Now, click on OK button to create the project. It will take couple of seconds to configure the different components of new project. After creation of project, the default layout will be appeared. The default layout contains quick start page which will provides the guidance about create and run test cases. Now, we are going to familiar with Katalon Studio header section which includes header menu and toolbar. The default quick start screen contains the links for self-learning guides. The menu options are File, Action, Edit, Project, Debug, Test Ops, Window, Tools and Help which are located in top of the GUI. The Action menu contains sub-menus such as API/Web Service which is used to open and imports different web services to perform API automation. SPY sub-menu is used to analyze the test objects which are located in web or mobile applications including Android and iOS. Record sub-menu is used to record the manual test steps for web or mobile applications. Add sub-menu is used to add mobile and web UI keywords. Run and debug sub-menus are used for test run or debug perspective. The debug-related options such as step into, step over, step out, different breakpoints operations are available under debug menu. The another important menu is Test Ops which contains the options for external tool integration such as Katalon Test Ops. ALM, test management related includes Jira, Qtest, and TestRail. Continuous integration related tools which includes Jenkins, Bamboo, others, Docker etc. Dependency management tool as Gradle plugin. Chat Ops tool as Slack and request option. The another frequently used menu option is Tools. It includes sub-menus such as Plugin which contains install and uninstall plugin options. Update WebDrivers can be used to update WebDrivers for different browser. Web sub-menu is used to terminate running WebDrivers. Utility submenu can be used to export or import different test artifacts. iOS submenu performs installation of dependencies or WebDriver agent. Windows submenu is used to install WinApp drivers, and test object shows the in-use test objects. The help menu options can be used to know about the installed Katalon Studio and others help-related topics. That's all about important menu options which are frequently used in test automation. Now we will see the important toolbar options which are available in header section. The Git option is used to manage the Git. We can perform Git activities such as cloning, sharing, push, pull, commit, etc. The Spy Web option is used to analyze the objects from web application. The Record Web option is used to record manual test step from web applications. The Spy Mobile option is used to analyze the objects from mobile apps including Android, iOS, and remote devices. The Record Mobile option is used to record mobile applications, includes Android, iOS, and remote DA. The Spy Windows Object option is used to analyze the window objects, and Record Windows Action option is used to record Windows applications. Now, we will see the Test Explorer section, which is located in left side of the Katalon Studio GUI. This section contains the different test artifacts which need to be defined during test automation activities. The frequently used test artifacts can be stored in Test Explorer section under different categories such as test cases, object repository, test suites, data files, checkpoints, keywords, etc. We can use filter on test artifact categories by selecting the appropriate category name from here. Only test artifacts will be shown in Test Explorer section if we select test cases. Also, we can search any test artifacts by entering the full or partial artifact name in search box. This feature is very helpful when the artifact counts is very high. We will learn more on test artifacts during test case creation. Now, we will see the Logs section, which is located at the bottom of the Katalon Studio GUI. This section contains the different types of test logs. By default, multiple tabs are available in the GUI of Katalon Studio. Each of the tabs are storing different types of logs. The appearances of tabs can be customized. The Problems tab contains the error logs which appears during automation. The Event Log tab contains the logs related to different events performed during test execution. Console tab shows the messages written in console. Log Viewer tab shows the summary of test execution. It shows the logs of total runs, passes, failures, errors, skips. That's all about logs for the time being. We will learn more during test automation activities. Thanks for watching this video. That's all about overview of Katalon Studio GUI interface. We will learn about the different approach to create automated test cases in upcoming videos.
Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. You can check our other website as well. We have features like YouTube Trends, Twitter Trends, Scientific Calculator, and many more other tools. If you like our video, please like, comment, and share. If you have any questions, please comment and we will resolve your query.